Hello students, welcome to Module 4. We are going to cover again 2 chapters in this module. The first chapter is chapter 14, and that is, I've titled it Common Pricing Strategies. Your book has it as Advanced Pricing Strategies. And the general idea there is to set tiered pricing or discriminated pricing, which is not in the legal sense, but essentially what you're doing is trying to exploit consumer surplus where it's available. Classic example of that would be, for example, so you have a YMCA family membership would be less than if each member bought it individually. You may have a situation where, say, the female, the mother in the family is going to use their gym every morning to work out before they go to work, and then the father and the children may come in on Saturdays or occasionally to make use of the facility. So those other 4 people really wouldn't be interested in a full ticket price, a full individual price. However, you may be able to entice them to use it somewhat if you give them a discount. So you basically have a tiered package there where they can, the individual can buy it if that's all they want, but you could add 4 more, let's say, family members at a discounted price, and that way that allows, in this case, the YMCA to extract a little consumer surplus because the price is too high for the remaining members of the family if it were priced individually. So that's what chapter 14 is about. Very mathematical. You have your study guide in there, of course. You probably want to go through that before you make the homework attempt. And again, you make the attempt, and then you have a revision attempt if you want to do so to improve your grade. The second chapter, which will be in week 8, is 15 decisions under uncertainty. And in this case, you're looking at the future with expected probabilities, expected values, and variance, and this type of thing. So just some more tools for your toolbox on how to make not just pricing decisions, but investment decisions, firm investment decisions, or personal investment decisions, or financial advising a client, for example. This will give you some tools you can work with to kind of organize how you think about the future. That chapter also includes a study guide to help you prepare. So that's the content. The assignments for Module 4 homework set 2 is due. That's the second. That's essentially your final exam, sort of. At this point, you should be through 50 of the 100 questions if you're on time. That's not necessary. You have till the end of the 8th week to submit homework set 2, but you should already be halfway through it at the end of week 6. Okay, 2 weekly discussions. The first discussion involves pricing strategy with a major company, and then of course we have our last case study, and that also deals with pricing. So most of the 4th module deals with pricing. However, you also have the chapter on decision making under uncertainty.